Find the following antiderivatives. In this left example, we'll be finding the antiderivative of secant squared x minus 4 cosecant squared x dx. And in order to figure out these antiderivatives, it's almost like a memorization. You'll have to remember that the integral or the antiderivative of secant squared x dx is tangent of x plus c, and that the integral of cosecant squared x dx is negative cotangent x plus c. So when you look at this antiderivative up here, the antiderivative of secant squared is tangent of x, so I'll write my answer down here in red. This will be tangent of x minus 4 times the antiderivative of cosecant squared is negative cotangent x. And don't forget to add the all-important plus c. So now the only thing that needs to happen is that with these signs here, the negative 4 times the negative cotangent just need to be multiplied so that you can see the final answer is the tangent of x plus 4 cotangent x plus c. And if you'd like to check your answer, you can always go back and take the derivative of this answer. And just remember that c is a constant, so the derivative of this last term will just go to 0. And the derivative of tangent is secant squared, and the derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared. So this looks like it checks out. All right, in this next example over here on the right, cosecant theta times cotangent theta minus cosecant theta with respect to theta. We need to find this antiderivative. Well, in its current form, we do not know an antiderivative for cosecant or cotangent. However, if you distribute the cosecant to both terms on the inside, you'll see that you get something like this. So this antiderivative will equal cosecant theta cotangent theta minus cosecant squared theta d theta. From here, you should recall that the antiderivative of cosecant theta cotangent theta d theta is equal to negative cosecant theta plus c, and that the antiderivative for cosecant squared is over here already in this example. So now we can take the antiderivative of each term. So this first term, cosecant cotheta, when you find the antiderivative of that, you'll just get negative cosecant theta. So this will equal negative cosecant of theta. And this second term over here, we've already used in this other example. That should give us minus a negative cotangent theta, all plus c. So the final answer over here, after simplifying, subtracting a negative, will end up being negative cosecant theta plus cotangent theta plus c.